Good morning, ma'am. So, previous class we have completed up to 3.1, 9 sums completed, 10 sum right now. Write the nearest number to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is divisible by 4. So, what is the given number? Given number is 12,345. So you have to write the nearest number to 12,345, which is divisible by 4. So first you should divide 4 3 is 12, remainder 0, bring down 3. Okay, 0 times 4 times 4, 4 8 32, 2 is the remainder, bring down 5, 4 6 24, so 1 is the remainder. So which is the nearest number? It is divisible by 4. Which one? Here remainder is 1. So you have to do minus 1, will get remainder 0. Okay. So like that you should subtract 1 here. So what is the number? 4 will get. So it will be the exactly divisible by 4. Okay. So what is the number? Therefore, the nearest number to 12,345, which is divisible by 4, is, what is the number? 12,344. We should subtract 1 from this, we will get the exact divisible by 4. So 12,344 is the nearest number. Okay, right. Now see the children, page number 32, textbook. Divisibility by 11. Observe this table, children. Fill in the blanks and complete the table. So what is the number given? 29,843. Sum of the digits at odd places. From the right side onwards, you have to add odd places. That means first place, third place, fifth place. First place is 3, third place is 8, fifth place is 2. So you have to add 3 plus 8 plus 2, how much? 13. Next, sum of digits at even places. Even places, second and fourth. That means 4 plus 9, 13. What is the difference? 13 minus 13? 0. So is the given number divisible by 11? 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 11. So it is yes. Like that second number. What is the second number given, children? Nine triple 02. So 90,002. So what is the first blank? Sum of the digits at even places. Even places means sum of the digits at odd places. This is first place. Right side onwards you have to count it. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. So odd places, what are those? 2. Third place is 0. Fifth place is 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. Okay. Next, sum of the digits at even places. Even places means second place and fourth place. What are those? 0 plus 0. How much? 0. Now, what is the difference? 11 minus 0. How much? 0 only. 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 11. So, it is divisible by 11. Yes. Okay. Next number 80927. 80,927. Now sum of the odd places. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. places, what is the number? 7 plus third place is 9, fifth place is 8. Add 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 8, how much? 24. Next, even places, second place and fourth place, 2 plus 0, how much? 2. Now difference, 24 minus 2, how much? 22. 22 is divisible by 11? Yes. 11 to is 22? No. So it is divisible by 11. Yes. Okay. So what do you observe from the table? Observe that in each case the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. All these numbers are divisible by 11. So what is the divisibility rule by 11? If a number is divisible by 11, if the difference between the sum of the even places and sum of the odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11, that number is divisible by 11. That is the rule, divisibility by 11. Okay, children? Now, take your syllables. Write down divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places from the right, not from the left, from the right. From the right is either 0 or multiple of 11 or multiple of 11. Then that number is divisible by 11. This is the rule. So what is the divisibility by 11 rule, children? A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11, that is divisible by 11. Okay, ma? Right.
Exercise 3.2 children. First problem. Using divisibility rules, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. First one. Given number is 6446. 6446 is given. Now you have to check it is divisible by 11 or not. We know that rule. What is the divisibility rule by 11 children? Some difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. It is divisible by 11. Okay. First we should find sum of digits at odd places. place is 6 plus third place 4. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. Okay, next. Sum of digits at even places. So even place, what is that? 4 plus 6. How much 4 plus 6? 10. Now you should find the difference. Difference is equal to 10 minus 10. How much 10 minus 10? 0. So 0 is useful by 11 children? Yes, 0 is useful by 11. So therefore 6446 is divisible by 11. Okay children? Like that you should do remaining 3 sums. That is the homework for you. Second, third, fourth. You should do 3 sums as homework. Okay? Now write the second question children. Now see the second question children. Write all the possible numbers between 2000 and 2100 that are divisible by 11. So between 2000 and 2100. Okay. So 2000 after which number? 2001. So 2001 is divisible by 11 or not? You have to check it. How to check it? So this is first place, second place, third place, fourth place. Sum of the digits at odd places and minus sum of the digits at even places. Okay. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 0, how much? 1. Next one 0 plus 2, 2. What is the difference? 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is divisible by 11 children? No, it is not divisible by 11. So 2001 is not divisible by 11. And next number, what is the next number? 2002. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. So sum of the digits at odd places. 1, 2. Next third place is 0. 2 plus 0, 2. Next, sum of the digits at even places. Second one and fourth one. That is 0 plus 2. How much 2? 2 minus 2, how much? 0. So 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, 0 is divisible by 11. So 2002 is divisible by 11. Okay. So what is the first number? 2002 is divisible by 11. So right here, the numbers between 2000 and 2100 that are divisible by 11 are, what are the first number? First number is 2002. So like that you should find all the numbers children? No, we can't. So that's why first number is 2002. Next, you should add 11. Then you will get next number. Add 11, how much? 2013. Again you have to add 11. What is the next number? 2024. Again add 11. What is the number? 2035. Again add 11. How much? 2046. Again add 11. 2057. Again add 11. 2068. Add 11. 2079. Add 11. So 10, 8. 2018. Again add 11. 2009, 1. Okay? So these are the numbers which are divisible by 11. Okay, ma'am? Right. Here see 2079 plus 11, how much for 2019? Up to here, divisible by 11. Okay. Now see the third question children. Write the nearest number to 1, 2, 11. So nearest number. What is the given number? Given number is 1234. Which is useful by 11? Which is the small nearest number to this number? So how to find? First we have to check it. 11 ones 11. 1 is remainder 3. 11 ones 11. 2 is remainder 4. 11 2 is 22. 2 is remainder. So here which is the nearest number? We will get exact divisible by 11 children. We should subtract 2. What will get? We should subtract 2 means we will get remainder 0. So what is the number? 1232 will get. Okay. So therefore the nearest number to 1234, which is divisible by 11, is 1232. Okay, ma? Right. So this is the class, today's class children. We'll continue tomorrow, ma. Goodbye.